Well, you guys missed the crazy hike because I forgot to take my camera. But we all just sweat to death. Now we got the moms making some food. What are you guys making?
Mac and cheese for Ben.
Making some bacon.
And BLT.
Alright. This is Casa La Goring. Giant master suite. Our room that Alyssa doesn't let us sleep in. Our bathroom. There's Ben. Are you eating a noodle? Yeah, this place is pretty much the sweetest. What?
Oh yeah, that makes it look like we're just pieces of shit.
What did I say?
You little liar, bud.
What did I lie about?
That I don't allow you to sleep over here.
I said Alyssa doesn't. I didn't say
but
Chrissy.
when did I ever say you
I asked you the first night and you were like, no.
You guys can sleep. Here we
Whoa.
go.
Sorry, Ben.
Alright.
There you go.
Ben's gonna be waking up every
Ooh, the truth comes out. Danny doesn't want to sleep here, and I do. Let it be written. Let it be written that Danny was the one that didn't want to sleep here.